Hi, I sent you a DocuSign and you've never done it before, so I'm going to walk you through it. Hopefully this will be very easy. Go to your inbox. I've got Gmail on the screen, so that's a choice. Click on refresh. It should say Mark Burnell has sent you a DocuSign. If you click on that, you can review the DocuSign opening email, and if I sent you another message, it'll be there. Then click review documents. It's going to open up a new window. And this time you have to enter an access code, so we're safe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that's not your access code, that's the access code maybe on your luggage. Go change it. Enter the access code I gave you. Now again, you can review the email I sent you on the left. Doesn't say anything new. On the right, there's other actions. Probably don't have to worry about any of those. So we're going to hit continue. When you hit continue, there's the document we completed together. It should look just like it with boxes to sign and maybe initials. So if you click start, it'll bring you to the first spot. I need your initials or your signature. And then click sign or initial. And it opens up this adopt your signature, or it might say adopt your initials. There's some for selected style. You can draw one, or you could even upload one. I've not had anyone upload one. If you click draw, you can make your signature if you have a mouse or a stylus. I made an X here. I have a stylus. If you don't like that, try clear and try again. So this was Joe Blow's document. Joe Blow can start writing his name. Under select style, there's a whole bunch on the right hand side. So if you click on that, it opens up a slider and you get to choose whichever one you think looks most like your signature. Doesn't really matter to me. If you feel one looks more like your signature than the other, choose that one. So once you've chosen one, you click on it, then you're going to click adopt and sign or adopt an initial, and it fills it in automatically. Now if there's more signatures or more initials, it'll say next or sign again, something that'll be obvious. Then you can click finish. You don't need to open an account, so you can click no thanks, and you're all done. So if you go back to your inbox and you wait a few moments, I'll have signed it. And if you hit refresh in your inbox, and then it'll say review completed documents. And there's your copy of the document we both signed. If you have any problems, please reach out to me.